Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Sri Tips here, and today what we're going to do is we're going to fire the silver cell back up, place it in operation. First thing I'm going to do is attach the cathode connection here. And now for the cathode connection, I've got the other end of this wire connected to the negative side of the power supply. Now we're going to filter the electrolyte, even though it's probably not necessary. This is the electrolyte from the previous pure silver crystal run. Take it over here and filter it. If you notice here, the electrolyte is crystal clear and colorless, just like water, and that's what we want to see. Got nothing in the filter, so now we're going to take our electrolyte over and fill up the silver cell with the electrolyte. I'm going to put the cover on, and then I'll cover this up with some paper towel to keep any junk from falling down in there. Here's our vacuum cleaner bag that we use as a filter. There's the part number, and what I do is I just take the bag out of the container here, and we turn it inside out. We make sure that the seams and the tag and the rubber is all out of the way, and then I take a empty paper towel tube and shove it down into the anode basket. Hold it in place with my chin, and then install the retainer ring to keep it in place. Now I'll take a sharp razor and just go all the way around and cut off all of the excess material. Here I have about 10 pounds or so of impure silver, and we're going to use this as our feedstock for this silver cell run. I'm just going to load up the anode basket with this stuff. Alright, let's go over here to the cell now. And what I'm going to do is get in here. I've got a glass rod, and I'm just going to stir this up, make sure we got a nice even mixture of electrolyte. Now I'm going to drop in the anode filter basket with the impure silver right down into the hole here, and the bottom of this basket will be in the electrolyte suspended on top here. Cover this hole up now so we don't get nothing down in there. I just leave the glass rod right in there because I stir it whenever I check it. Here's our anode bar. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn the power supply on. And we're going to do a dead short down here by touching this together, and that will give me an opportunity to go to constant current mode, and I'm going to bring the amps down to 1.2 amps for this run. 1.2 amps. All right, now let's put our anode bar in the silver like that. We're now all set up. The power supply appears at 1.1 amps, 1.7 volts. And I'll probably make some adjustments on that as we proceed. Let's look in here, down into the cell. This is what it looks like when we first start the silver cell. There's nothing in there at all. It's completely clean. It's been about 30 minutes since we placed the cell in operation. I've adjusted the current to 1.25 at 2 volts. And let's see what we got after 30 minutes worth of operation. Oh yeah, you can see the crystals of silver, pure silver, starting to form on the bottom of the stainless steel cathode. In fact, all the way around the edges as well. This will conclude the silver cell being placed in operation video. Thank you for watching.